Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Rocky Balboa with the fight. Been through more bad things than I can mention. Got knocked down in the round, it was wrecking. Opponent keep on coming, you can feel the tension. How many hits can you take is the question. Life hit hard, but you gotta keep pressing. I'ma turn to Rocky Balboa for the lesson. Keep moving forward, keep on stepping and stepping and stepping and stepping and Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Rocky Balboa with the fight.